Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. After 1 month we are meeting again. Some of the students have written nice exams. Some of them they have just copied and written the paper. No problem because you are not fooling teachers, you are fooling yourself. Okay? तुम्ही टीचर्सला फुल नाही करत आहे, तुम्ही स्वतःला फुल करतात. काही मुलांनी तसेच आन्सर्स लिहून काढलेत बुकमधून किंवा नोटबुकमधून. ओके, लेट इट बी नो फाईन. वी आर ॲब्सोल्युटली फाईन बिकॉज it is not going to make any what we call effect on us, or it is not going to affect us anything. Okay, it is going to affect yourself. Whatever studies you have done, that much only marks you should get. You should not do cheating with yourself. Okay, that is another thing. Exam is over. Now we are going to continue with our remaining portion. We have completed 12 lessons. Our portion is lacking. आपला पोर्शन खूप मागे राहिला आहे. ॲटलिस्ट आत्तापर्यंत 15 लेसन्स झाले पाहिजे होते पण नाही झाले. एनिवेज आय विल ट्राय टू कंप्लीट पोर्शन इन दिस डिसेंबर मंथ अँड जानेवारी मंथ. So without wasting time, I am going to start with our syllabus. Lesson number 13, Sultan Ghiyasuddin in Qazi's court. What is name of our lesson? Sultan Ghiyasuddin. What you have to say? Sultan Ghiyasuddin in the Qazi's court. Okay, Qazi is what? Qazi is a saint in Muslims. Okay, and Sultan means what? Sultan means king, emperor. Okay, so why Sultan Ghiyasuddin goes in the Qazi's court? Qazi's court means what? There is a place, or you can say temple, where Qazis stay, and if any problem comes at that time, people go and solve problems from Qazi. And then there is a short story related with king and Qazi. Now let us start. I will read lesson for you. Please take out your books, page number 28. Take out your textbook, page number 28. This man whom you are seeing in the book is Sultan Ghiyasuddin. Okay, I will read first 3 paragraphs and then I will explain you the story. Okay, first one, here it is. Lesson number 13, Sultan Ghiyasuddin in the Qazi's court. Now here, hundreds of years ago in the eastern province of Bengal, Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah, what is his full name? Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah ruled the land. His capital was Sonargaon. Sultan Ghiyasuddin was a good ruler. He ruled wisely and well. He respected the men of learning. He had a deep regard for law. Now here it is told that hundreds of years before, म्हणजे 100 वर्षांपूर्वी, in eastern province of Bengal, means East Bengal. Do you know Bengal? Bengali is one state of our country. Correct or not? There are total 28 states in our country and one state is Bengal. Correct? West Bengal, East Bengal. So here Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah was a king of Bengal. Which Bengal? Eastern province. Bengal's east. This is which? If this is Bengal, this side is east. So Eastern Bengal was under whom? Eastern Bengal was under Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah. His full name is what? Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah. And he capital of this eastern province of Bengal was Sonargaon. काय होतं त्याचं capital? Eastern province of Bengal. What was capital of eastern province of Bengal? Capital was Sonargaon. Okay, and here it is told that Ghiyasuddin was a good ruler. He never did injustice with people. He helped poor people in his province. He was a good ruler. Good ruler म्हणजे काय? चांगला राजा होता. तो काय करायचा? ज्यांना मदत पाहिजे होती त्या लोकांना मदत करायचा. ओके, so further here it is told that he ruled wisely and well. He never troubled people for what we call, he never troubled people, he never made them slaves, or he never treated them like slaves. He was very wise and well king and everyone loved him. Okay, He respected men of learning. People, those who used to learn something new, he respected those people. Are you understanding or not? And here it is told that he had a deep regard for law. Some rules and regulations were made in eastern province of Bengal, and if anyone will break those rules, they were punished. And if someone has not done any crime, that person was saved प्रॉपरली बाय सुलतान खियासुद्दीन आझम शहा. म्हणजे समजलं का तुम्हाला? काही रूल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन्स केलेल्या असतात, करेक्ट ऑर नॉट? वी हॅव टू फॉलो दोज रूल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन्स, अँड सेम रूल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन्स वर फॉलोड बाय किंग ॲज वेल ॲज पीपल दोज हू लिव्ड इन हिज किंगडम. सगळ्यांना कंपल्सरी होतं. कसलं कंपल्सरी होतं? जो लॉ तयार केलेला होता त्यांच्या प्रोव्हिन्समध्ये, त्यांच्या किंगडममध्ये सगळ्यांनी तो लॉ फॉलो करायचा, आणि जो कोणी तो लॉ तोडल त्याला शिक्षा मिळणार. ओके. सो व्हॉट हॅपन फर्दर? वन डे वाईल द सुलतान वॉज प्रॅक्टिसिंग, इट इज, one day while the sultan was practicing with his bow and arrows, he accidentally wounded the only son of poor widow. The wounded boy did not survive. Weeping and wailing, the poor widow went to the Qazi and told him what had happened. Now what happened? One day Sultan Khiyasuddin was practicing bow and arrow. Are you understanding or not? How is bow and arrow? Correct? Bow and arrow. Who was practicing bow and arrow? Sultan Khiyasuddin was practicing bow and arrow, and accidentally, म्हणजे अचानक काय झालं, त्याचा जो arrow, the arrow which he had left from the bow, it went and wounded the son of one widow. Son of one widow means what? What we call the widow means what in Marathi? The lady who doesn't have husband. What it is called in Marathi? What it is? Something, some word is there for that. Widow means who doesn't have husband. Okay. And then she was not having husband. She had only one son. तिला फक्त एक मुलगा होता, तिला नवरा नव्हता. And what happened when king was practicing bow and arrow, तो arrow कुणाला जाऊन लागला? तिच्या मुलाला जाऊन लागला. And then when he was wounded म्हणजे काय? त्याला ज्यावेळेस जखम झाली त्या arrowची, तर तो मुलगा काय झाला? he was dead. he did not survive. म्हणजे काय झालं? तो वारला, तो मुलगा वारला. कशाने? arrow. जो arrow सुलतान खियासुद्दीनने त्याच्या बोमधून सोडला होता, तो arrow कुणाला लागला? विडोच्या मुलाला लागला. विडोच्या मुलाला लागल्यानंतर काय झालं? तो मुलगा वारला. ही वॉज डेड. ही कुड नॉट सर्वाइव. अँड देन व्हॉट हॅपन्ड? दिस विडो, ओके, विडो वेंट टू काझी. विडो वेंट टू हुम? काझी. काझी वॉज what? A person who used to, how judges are there, judge is there in the court, like that Qazi is also like a judge. So she went to Qazi and told everything what had happened. That Sultan was practicing bow and arrow, and then that arrow wounded my son, and my son died. Now where I will go? I don't have husband. I was having one son that is also killed. It had happened by mistake. It has happened from Sultan Khiyasuddin, but he killed my son. And then Qazi did one thing, that he sent one officer. त्यांनी काय केलं? काझीने एक ऑफिसर पाठवला. कुणाला बोलवायला? सुलतान खियासुद्दीनला बोलवायला. ओके. दॅट इज देअर इन नेक्स्ट पॅराग्राफ दॅट आय विल रीड फॉर यू नाउ. ओके. नाउ हियर the Qazi was an honest and upright man. He sent an officer to summon the Sultan to his court. When the officer reached the palace, the guards stopped him and inquired about his business. When they learned that he had come to serve a summons on the Sultan, they were shocked. They refused to let him go inside the palace. Summon means what now? Summon means to send someone. SUMMON. Summon means to send someone. ओके. समन मीन्स वॉट? टू सेंड समवन. कुणाला पाठवलं त्यांनी? ही समन द ऑफिसर. कुणाला पाठवलं होतं काझीनी? ऑफिसरला समन केलं होतं. समन म्हणजे काय? पाठवलं होतं. कुणाच्या पॅलेसमध्ये? सुलतान खियासुद्दीनच्या. आणि ज्यावेळेस when officer was sent to the palace of Sultan, in his hand there was one notice. What it was? Notice, and that notice is called summons. Notice is called what? Summons. Here S is not added, here only S is added, and here it is called notice sent to call someone. Notice sent to call someone. When we call someone, one notice is given along with that person, that is called summons. Notice is called summons, and when we send someone, that is called summon. Two words you have studied new. Summon म्हणजे काय? कुणाला तरी पाठवणे, मेसेज घेऊन जाण्यासाठी त्या व्यक्तीला काय म्हणतात? समन. आणि त्याच्यासोबत जर काही लिहून पाठवलं तुम्ही तर त्याला काय म्हणतात मराठीतून? इंग्लिशमधून इट इज कॉल्ड समन्स. ओके. नोटीस सेंड टू कॉल समवन. अंडरस्टूड? सो काझी सेंडिंग वन ऑफिसर विथ द नोटीस इन द पॅलेस ऑफ Sultan Khiyasuddin. But what guards do? Guards do not allow this officer to go inside and speak with Sultan Khiyasuddin. Then that officer is using some trick. त्याला तर पॅलेसमध्ये जायचं आहे आणि त्याला ती नोटीस कुणाला द्यायची आहे? राजाला द्यायची आहे. पण त्याचे सोल्जर्स त्याला आतमध्ये जाऊन देतात का पॅलेसमध्ये? नो. सो ही इज नाव दिस ऑफिसर इज गोइंग टू यूज सम ट्रिक्स to reach the king, because he knows that if he will go back to Qazi and tell that soldiers or guards did not allow me to go inside, Qazi is not going to listen. Qazi will get angry. Okay, that officer is whose? Officer is of Qazi. So officer is going to use some tricks, and that tricks I will explain you in tomorrow's period. If you want to know what tricks he had used, you can read lesson and understand the trick which is used by officer in the lesson. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow. I will explain you remaining part of the lesson in tomorrow's period. Thank you.